Hey guys, it's Dom with Roasted to Dip. This week we've got a pretty cool project in the booth. We have a rare right-hand drive 1997 Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution we're going to be working on. It's going to be going a full body color change in a high gloss black. We're also going to be adding the added flow coat to give it that extra flat, deep, and of course super shiny high gloss finish. This is pretty exciting as it'll be our first full car flow coat install video, so we're definitely looking forward to showing you a little bit more of what goes into that. Now, gloss black might not sound all that creative or exciting to most of us. However, if you know some of the history about these cars, it's actually quite significant. There weren't very many produced in the first place, and the ones that were only offered in 3 colors, which are white, red, and silver, like this one you see here. So while gloss black might not seem that creative and interesting, there actually aren't any factory ones out there that look like this one will when we're done with it. Also, being a car that wasn't originally sold here in the US, it's one of the select few that was shipped and registered here from Japan under the 25-year import rule that we have here in the United States. So it's very unlikely that you'll see another one like it rolling around on the streets if you live here in the US. All right, we're going to get to work on it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and follow us on all social media. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.